Hello guys, check this out.
Yo, Jonathan, stop what you're playing, bro. Can you play How Great Thou Art, but in jazz?
Yeah. Whoa.
Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, hey, how great thou art. Take it away, man.
Alright, now I'm going to show you the chords note for note so that you could play them and have fun with them. But I'm also going to show you a simplified version for beginners and early intermediate to play the same song with a jazzy feeling. Okay, so after I break down what he has played, then I'm going to show you a simplified version so that, you know, nobody's left out. All right, so let's get started with the breakdown.
Yo, Jonathan, stop what you're playing, bro. Can you play How Great Thou Art, but in jazz?
Yeah. Whoa.
Yeah, that's a nice intro. I really can't play it as fast as it did, but here's the intro. So yeah. All right, that's the intro note for note. So yeah, left plays D, F sharp, A, C sharp, melody on the right, D, F sharp, A, C sharp, E, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G, A, F sharp. All right. Change here. Left hand plays E flat, F sharp, A, C. Right hand E, C, sorry, E flat, C, A, B flat, B. Okay, so you see that there, and of course it's bouncing. The chord is not like holding it, but you can of course hold the chord, something like that. Okay, and then we have left hand plays E, G, B, D. Right hand plays melody B, G, E, B, E flat, B, D, B, then C sharp, and then left plays A, G. Okay, so got it. And then right hand continues E, G, B, A, F sharp, E, D, B, A. Right hand plays D major 7. Okay, written version. So then F sharp, E, D, B, G, A. Okay. Right, left hand plays A and E. All right. So let's get into the song.
Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee.
Okay, so this is my soul. Yeah. So this is my soul. D. Right hand plays B, F sharp, A, C sharp. Okay, so and then it's doing this. Okay, so D, F sharp, A, C sharp. So right? So see that, play this, and then you play B flat octave on your left. So okay, left hand plays A octave on the left, and then C, E, G, B. Left hand plays E, so, and then D on the left, and then C, E flat, F sharp, B. Okay, so left hand plays A flat, okay, to G, and then right hand B, D, F sharp, B. Then this G, F, B flat, D, A. So C, B flat, D, G. Okay, and then F sharp, E, A, C sharp, F sharp, A. Okay. All right.
How great thou art. How great thou.
All right. So then all right. So then this B flats, G, B flats, C sharp. You just add up the ED on the right and then B flat on the left. B, F sharp, A, B, D. Okay. And it was bumping with F sharp and D on the left. So then this F sharp, E flats, F sharp, A, C, E flats, E, E, B, D, E, G, then so A, sorry, not A, B, D, E, F sharp, yeah, this is it, E, B, E, G, D, A, D, F sharp, C sharp, G, B, E, this, so A flat, and then G, B, D, A, G, A, B, D, then it did da da da, so A, B, C sharp, then wait, A, E, G, B, G, A, B, D, so then G, G, B flats, E.
Then sings my song.
So right, then yeah, so this, then F sharp, E, A, C sharp, A, F, F, E flat, A flat, C, G, G goes to F, F, E, and then G, B, G, B, that's what he did, so this, okay, then A flat, A, and then G, B, D, F sharp, A, G, B flat, C sharp, E, so D, A, C sharp, E, F sharp.
My Savior, God to thee, how great thou art. Hey, how great thou art. Take it away, man.
All right, so after this, play this. Okay, then he just did the same thing they did in the beginning. So okay, this time instead of going E D, he went C sharp to D. So A flat there. This. Okay. He played this. Okay, so this. Okay. This. Then okay. And how great thou da 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 da. All right, now I'm going to show you a simplified version for beginners and early intermediate swinging How Great Thou Art in jazz. Let's get a preview. This is my soul. How great thou art. Now I'm going to leave the link to the backing track in the description box below so that you can swing at it. Or here are the chords, simple chords. So this is my soul. Maybe just be doing some movement on your left hand. Shouldn't be that hard. So this, okay. See that? So most important part is that you're swinging it, right? Right? You're swinging it. Okay. Vamping it. So after this, how great thou art. Don't do that yet. That was good. So okay. How great thou art. Okay. We did this. Okay, so this is my answer. Good to this